Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter tenths and hundredths. As the name tells, tenths. Tenths means 1 upon 10th part. Okay, it is just like fraction. When we are representing anything in fractional form, we are writing it in the form of numerator and denominator. Similarly, when we represent anything in 10th part or in 100th part, so that is one kind of special representation. We are telling that decimal. Like 1 upon 10 can be written as 0.1 and 1 upon 100 can be written as 0.01. Okay. Now, why we need this representation? Actually, when we are handling something, for example, suppose we are measuring any distance in kilometers and they are in some meters and some thousand meters also. For example, suppose I want to represent 2543 meter into kilometers. So how I will do that? So the simple way is that I should use sum of the part of the meter in fractional form and sum of that as a complete kilometers. For example, if I want to represent 2543 meter, I can bifurcate into two parts like 2000 meter plus 543 meters. Okay, now let's convert both the things into kilometer. So what we have to do, we have to divide it by 1000. Okay, so if I am dividing it by 1000, so this 2000 will become how much? It will become 2 kilometer. So that will be 2 kilometer. But what about this one? So a special representation we have done for that, that is 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 means 0.543. So I can write here 2.543. So you can see here a special representation is there which is known as decimal. Okay, now I will tell you in details about these decimals. Now students, I will tell you about how to represent the numbers into decimals and how the decimal number should be expressed in fractional number. So let's see, suppose I am having one fraction 25 upon 10. So children, I want to tell you, whenever we are writing any number, for example here the numerator is 25, there is no decimal in this number, but we are considering that decimal is always there. For example, I think you know that when we are writing 25 rupees, so sometimes we are writing like this 25.00. That means a decimal is always there, but it is where? After ones place. That's why tenths and hundredths places are sometimes known as places after the ones place. Okay, so 25 upon 10 is a fraction. Okay, now you see decimal is here. So whenever we divide by 10, so this decimal is shifting one side here. So this can be written as 2.5. I am taking one more example, my dear students. Suppose one more fraction is there, 36 upon 100. So how we will express it in the form of fraction? So please look at here. See, two places, two zeros are there. So the decimal is here. It will shift two places towards our left side. So how we will do? So see here, 36 we will write. This is the first place, second place of decimal, and decimal will be here. But we are not leaving like this. We don't have the whole number here. So we are putting 0 here. So 0.36 we will write like this. One more example I am taking, my dear students. Suppose I am having one number 305 and upon 100. So what should we do in this one? So yes, you can guess, it will be 305. Decimal is here. It will shift two places this side. So 1, 2. So we'll put it like this. So 3.05. See, after the decimal, when we will read any number, So we are reading the digits in a single way. For example, 36 we will not say here. We will say 0.36. Don't say it 0.36. Otherwise, it is not according to the decimals rule. We are reading single digits. 0.36. This is the correct way to read this. This will be 3.05. Now, I am going to tell you one more example. Suppose I am having 45 upon 1000, the third fractional number. What it will be? Yes, please guess. Two places are there. So I will write here 4, 5. Now you see decimal is here. If I am shifting it this side, so there is no place after this one. So I have to create some places. How I will create that? By putting the zeros. So see here, 1, 2, and one more zero will come here, and decimal will be here. But I told at the beginning, if nothing is there, we are putting 0. So this should be 0.045. I think you understood how to convert the fractional numbers which are given in tens form into decimals. Now I am going to tell you, students, how to convert the decimal numbers into fraction. This is the reverse way. Suppose I am having a decimal number 12.54 and I want to convert this into fraction. So how it will be? So this will be like this, 1254. First of all, you write the whole number. Now you see decimal is here and two places are there. So you write 1 and two places are there. So 2 zeros will be there. So 1254 divided by 100. It should be like this. Let's see one more example, 0.032. And I want to convert this into fractional number. What should I do? First of all, you see 0, 0. We are not writing that. Simply we are writing 32. And how many places of decimals are here? You can see here, there are 3 places of decimals, 1, 2, and 3. So it should be 1, 2, and 3. So 32 upon 1000. Now I am taking one more example, children. I am having, suppose, one more number, 3.005. So how I will convert this one? See here, in between zeros are there. They are not at the last or at the beginning. So we cannot leave it. Directly we will write it 3005 divided by 1, 2, 3. 3 places of decimals are there. So there will be 3 places like this. That is 1000. I think now you are able to do any number which is given in the tens form. Means the denominator should be multiple of 10. Then you can convert it very easily into decimals, and any decimal number should be converted into fractional number. Thank you very much. Bye bye.